Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with private label rights, creating online courses. So let's jump in. So how to use PLR to create online courses. So number one, we want to locate high quality PLR. I'm going to show you where I get most of my content from and how you can actually purchase a one-time lifetime access membership to the site, so then you don't ever have to worry about paying individually for content again, and you'll have unlimited supply of content, thousands and thousands of different pieces of content on the site. So you'll never be able to in a lifetime actually create courses for all the content they have on their site, and they come out with new products monthly and weekly. So I'm going to show you my favorite site, and then preferably I actually go after ebooks. So you would initially think, well, I'm trying to post an online course for this. Don't I need videos for this? Well, I'm going to show you why having a high quality ebook is even better. And the ebooks are easier to create for the PLR creators. So you have access to more of those. And that's actually what we want anyways, because it's structured the way that we want. The outline, everything's done for us. And we're able to create a unique content based off of the PLR ebook. And so that's what we're really going after, right? So you're creating value for your customer, something that they can't get anywhere else. And so we're going to turn those ebooks into our own video course. So yeah, just explaining that why the ebooks, why I prefer the ebooks over the video content. You could recreate and sync the videos. You could do voiceovers and then try to sync those voiceovers to the videos already created. But you know, at the end of the time, after doing this for a long time, that takes just as long as actually creating fresh new videos. So that's what we want to do, because you could take the videos and redo the voiceovers and then sync, but this would only be rebranding 50% of the PLR, plus syncing will take just as long as creating the new branded video. So let me show you real quick. So over here, I've shown this site a couple times, a couple different other videos, but there are different sites. There's IDPLR is a really big popular one everybody knows about. I personally don't find the quality or customer service good on that site, so it's not something I recommend. I don't recommend it to you guys. And there's PLR Assassin, there's PLR Weekly, there's a bunch of different places, high quality PLR, different websites you can go and get PLR. So wherever your favorite place is, go to that place. Mine, after doing this for years, is Big Product Store. Is just, I find that the quality of their site is just a little bit better than any of the other ones that I've used before. So this is kind of what it looks like. There's a bunch of stuff, and I'm actually going to go ahead and sign in real quick. So I'll go to members, and you can sign up with the link below. It is an affiliate link. If you do decide to sign up, it's much appreciated. It helps support this channel. But the cool thing about this site is, once you sign up, there's a couple different subscriptions. You can get a monthly subscription for, I believe, around $15 a month. You could, if you're on a budget right now, go and sign up for a month and then download a ton of content. Maybe download 50 or 100 pieces of content, so you're good for the next 6 months with that. It's for the next year, and then that's it, or you can just be done with buying monthly memberships and just, like I did, I took the leap and paid $100 or $150 for my lifetime membership to the site. You can see I have access to for forever to the site, and or here's my lifetime membership right here. So it never ends. And I bought that back in December, so recently, about 7 months ago. And I don't ever have to pay for this ever again. And I can come in here, and I just logged in, and I can go to browse all products. You can go in here to products and actually go to any of these, right? So you can go to browse all products here. And so, just closing with that, I recommend taking your business serious, paying for the lifetime membership, and then not having to worry about finding content or paying for content ever again. So that's just a suggestion. Again, check the link in the description. Appreciate it. So here's some stuff like July 9th. So if you look down here, it is July 9th. So they just came out with these products today. These two just hit. Deal closing secrets. Looks like it's a sales type, business related series. What is stress? Kind of a stress related ebook. Maybe a spinoff of that one. Might have been from the same creators. This one was released on July 8th. Have to do with stress. So these stress books coming in, there must be an uptick in stress, because I noticed that a lot of times they do a good job with the trends. And so if it's something's trending, stress management is trending right now. And it makes sense with what's going on in our world. I won't say that in the video, but the new world that we're living in right now has certainly been added more stress to everybody's life across the world. And so now you can see all these books with stress coming in, and we can use this content to our advantage and give the market what they are needing. So you can see they have audiobook series. You can actually take this, I've actually taken this content and uploaded it and made money off of it just straight from the audiobook without doing any modifications really. So that's something that I'll address in the course coming up. Take 1 minute to just let you know I will be creating a very secret, specialized PLR profits course very soon, in the next couple months. And if you want to get early bird access to that, I'm dropping a link in the description. What that early bird access will give you is it will give you first kind of access, 48-hour early bird access to the course, and you will get the most discounted rate that the course will ever be. So if you're interested in that, from somebody that actually makes money with PLR content, and I have not just one or two ways to use this content and make money from it. I have multiple ways, and there's no other. The reason why I'm creating the course is that there is no other course online that teaches this stuff. If you've seen some of my other PLR videos, you know that I'm the real deal. I know what I'm talking about. And there is no other, at least I haven't come across a true, genuine PLR course from somebody that actually can prove to you that they make money with PLR and show complete unique ways to do this and to take your business serious and take it to the next level and make money. So from PLR. So if you're interested in that, and we'll talk more about it, but there is an early bird access link. What you do is you click on that and then go and just sign up, and you will be the first notified of the course. Special early access plus a very heavily discounted rate, and then the course will go up after that for the first 48 hours, and then it's not going to go down again from that. So if you're interested in PLR and making money from PLR, it wouldn't hurt you to go ahead and just sign up to be on that early bird list. So you can see just a bunch of content here. Okay, so and then you can also search for here if you have a topic right here. Like if I was going to search for beer. It's in my search history. They actually have a beer bar. They have a PowerPoint templates. They have easy home brewing. So you could take this, and there's probably there's enough information here. There's not a ton, but there is a book here, and it's within the last 5 years, so it's going to be it's going to be pretty updated. And you could take this, and as long as it's a good 5,000 words, that report, then you could turn that into a 30-minute course, and you could publish that on Udemy. So, so you could take this, but what we really want to do is, let's say we went to products and we went to ebooks. I just want to look at ebooks right now, and there's those stress books, and there's just, pages and pages and pages. It just goes on forever. But let's just say we want everything you need to know about stress management. Let's just check that out because it just came out yesterday. So you would just click on it. Once you have a membership, and it might give you some information down here about the product. There's usually nothing on that tab, so we're going to just download the product real quick. I'm going to pause the video. All right, so we're inside the product. It's downloaded. And it will come with covers, infographics, squeeze pages. None of this I ever really use. You can do this, try to turn this into a product and sell it and on Facebook and different things like that. But you would need to rebrand everything, right? So that's not the quickest method that I have to make money with this. I have a unique spin on the way that I use the content. But I wonder what the video is. It's probably like a sales video, which, so then you have your presentation and you have, articles. So you have an article. So this is probably the main content. And then there's the presentation. So they actually have, this one is pretty unique because they already have the PowerPoint created. So I'm going to open that up real quick. We're going to check out and see what the quality of the PowerPoint presentation is. Now you could choose to use this, and you know, just looking at the product, it's probably going to be a decent PowerPoint presentation. So then what that would tell me is that the fastest way to get this up, oh yeah, it's a great PowerPoint presentation. So what you could do is just take this PowerPoint presentation. Okay. They have the whole thing here. It's 13 slides. I mean, it just looks great. I mean, look at the quality of this PowerPoint is amazing. This is, you know, just because I do this on a daily basis. This is, someone took a little bit more time to create these PowerPoint slides with images and the text and all that. And so, a lot of times you'll get just black text on a white background. Very, very boring presentation. And so I wouldn't use those. That's when I would completely redo a video. But this is so good that this could be used. And so what I would do is I would pre-record a high quality voiceover. And if you don't want to do that, if you don't want to record, you could actually come over here to Fiverr.com. And when you're inside Fiverr, I need to do an update video because I've just been killing it on Fiverr. I've got $750 in my bucket right now. I'm getting $400 orders, $252 orders here, $40 orders on that. So I need to make an update video for you guys on Fiverr. But you can just come over here and go to buying and then go to, you know, VoiceOver. And once you go to VoiceOver, then you could find somebody to do the voiceover for you. And what you would do is you would just go into your text over here, and you could send them that PowerPoint presentation. They could record it from there. You could also send them the article. And if you open up the article real quick, so if you open up the article, then this is what it's like. And this is where I can get a good kind of feel for how many words. So you can see down here, it's 13,300 words. So this is just like a report. This wouldn't be long enough for a course, but it's a good example for my video. What you want to aim for is about 5,000 words. So then you can have about 30 minutes of content. Every 5,000 words is about 30 minutes of content. And that's when you can, you know, make a course and then put it up on Udemy. So really what you would do is that this would be a good, a lecture or 2 lectures. And what you would do is you would just record this into an audio, to a voiceover. Okay. So then we could take that voiceover. Okay. Once you have the voiceover, then we could come over here and we can go to this video editor called WeVideo, which is great. You can use any video editor that you want. I like this one because let me show you how awesome it is. Just going to push start editing. You can make square and vertical type images or type stuff, but so we have our voiceover, and let's just say we have this voiceover I did on Fiverr for somebody.
Information of all your clients got stolen.
So stolen. So we would just go over here to stock media. And this is why this software is so awesome. And if you're interested in this, go ahead and check out the link in the description as well. But using probably 10 different video editors, this has become my favorite because you can do, I can type in theft under stock media, and you get, by paying for this software, you get access to basically story blocks, unlimited supply, millions of assets of images and stock video footage. And you get that inside of this membership, which is just awesome. So theft, something like that, dude. This guy is like a hacker. So we could throw that in there and update the video. And now you're just...
of all your clients got stolen.
See right there, then you could cut, you could delete that out. Then you could just start adding more stuff. You can add more stuff, and then just get a keyword, listen to a good 10 seconds of video, and then you can find a new, a new video, stock video to put there. You can also, there's images as well. And then what you do is, that's a lecture. Then you finish and you export your video, and then you build 5 or 6 of those, and then you can publish that. You can publish it on, and you're making completely unique, valuable content based off of PLR products, and you're serving the market in a unique way. And that is one of my favorite ways to make money with this. And this will be in depth in the course. So go back into here real quick. So that's it for this video. If you have a video suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. And if you're interested in taking your PLR content to the next level to earn some serious cash, I'll be releasing a Make Money from PLR course soon, showing you all my secret methods that I've been using for years to make money from PLR. Click the first link in the description to get on the early bird list with early 48-hour access and a steep discount. And finally, if you found value from this video, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out, and it makes sure that you don't miss any of my future private label rights or PLR related videos. Until next time, take care.